Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Ado and thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are doing well. Now, winters are coming and so with it comes a lot of skin issues like dry skin, itchy skin, pulled out skin. So we must ensure that we take care of your skin, especially during this time. Now, we take care of your skin throughout the year, but this time is especially needed because your skin needs a lot of hydration, moisturization to keep it away from all the blurs of winter season. So in today's video, I'll be talking about a brand as well as their product, which not only nourishes your skin properly, but also gives you an instant glow to your skin. Now, the product that I'll be talking about today is WishCare Vitamin C Pure Glow Face Cream. Now, this brand I've fallen in love with. Now, this brand isn't just a brand. It is a commitment towards producing purest, healthiest products and also educating everyone why organic self-care is very important. Now, all the products are really organic. They are paraben-free, silicone-free. They have not been tested on animals, and these products really works wonders on the skin. Now, one of the reasons I would also prefer buying this product because every WishCare product that you buy, you help a girl child get closer to her dreams. This brand supports the agenda of right to education. Now, I'm going to talk about this product in detail. I'm going to talk about each ingredient and why these ingredients are so beneficial for skin, how this product benefits your skin. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. So let us talk about the packaging first. Now, this is how the packaging looks like. It's really beautiful. On the top of the product, it is written WishCare Vitamin C Plus Pure Glow Face Cream. Now, this is enriched with berries, oranges, turmeric, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. Now, this product is an indispensable nutrient for collagen boosting, stable vitamin C, which is enriched with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, oranges, turmeric, and berries to bring you the Pure Glow Face Cream. Now, the net quantity of this product is 50 grams and it is priced at rupees 599. The shelf life of this product is 24 months. Now, all these products have no silicons, no paraben, no sulfates, no gluten, no salts or sodium chloride, and no minerals in it. All these products are not tested on animals and they are nature derived. Now, coming to what this product claims, WishCare Vitamin C Pure Glow Face Cream is an extremely light, potent formula that helps to bring out pure glow on your face. The goodness of berries, oranges, and turmeric, along with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, results in a brighter, even tone, and younger skin with regular use. Now, this cream is formulated with stable vitamin C, which makes it safe and gentle for both men and women of all ages and skin type. Now, they also come with a very beautiful message on their packaging that a tree can absorb as much as 48 kgs of carbon dioxide each year, so plant trees. So I feel this is really beautiful and very sensitive message to all of you out there. And this cream is suitable for day and night use as well. The other side of the packaging, it has the ingredients, the directions to use, the tips of using this product, and they also come with a caution that always do a patch test before applying to your face. Now, when you open this product, you get an amber color tub like this, which has the similar information written as it is written in the outer cardboard packaging. It has a beautiful glossy golden true cap. Now, when you open it, it is sealed with another white cap and you have to open it. Now, as you see, I have used a lot of product from this. Now, you will see the cream is so beautiful. It is so creamy and light texture. As soon as you apply it to your skin, you will see that your skin literally glows. I'm like, you will love the way it gets absorbed to your skin immediately, and it naturally gives you the glow that your skin needs. As soon as you apply this product, you will feel that how nourishing your skin looks, how beautiful and soft your skin feels. This product doesn't have a very strong smell. Natural ingredients in this product actually gives a very natural fragrance, which is very beautiful and very soothing to your nerves. It is not that something that you cannot take. The advanced formula of WishCare Vitamin C Pure Glow Face Cream is designed to target the most common signs of aging, that is brightness, firmness, then fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and sunspots to give you with a brighter skin. Now let us talk about the ingredients of this product one by one. Now it has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide, which are one of the most well-researched and well-designed skincare ingredients that actually work wonders on your skin. It has turmeric, which contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components, and these components provide luster and glow to your skin. It has oranges and berries, which calms your skin, boosts collagen production, and provides skin elasticity. This cream is really easy on your skin as this is a cruelty-free face cream and it is non-greasy and non-sticky texture on your skin. Now let us see how to apply this product on your skin. Now it is very important that whenever you apply any face cream or any product on your skin, if you're wearing a makeup, you must always clean your face properly. I've already cleansed my face with this face wash that suits my skin. Now if you are a person who uses a toner and a serum before any moisturizer or a cream, you can do that as well. I have already cleansed my face and I'm going to directly apply the cream on my face. So you just need a pea-sized of this product. Apply, give it dots all over your skin and never leave your neck, as I always say, and then gently massage your cream all over your face. As you can see, it completely absorbs into your skin. Trust me when I say this, it has a very pleasant fragrance to it, and this does not has any sticky or a greasy feeling to it. It literally absorbs into your skin immediately as soon as you apply, and it does not leave your skin with that greasy feeling as well. It gives you a complete matte skin texture, and as you can see up close and personal again how my skin looks like, and I'm sure you're going to love the results because I surely love it. So this is how my skin looks like, and I absolutely love my skin. So definitely give this cream a try. This product has brought so much life to my skin. My skin feels much more brighter, it feels more moisturized, and if you're looking for something for that glow on your skin, I would highly recommend this product. So I believe you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For your convenience, I've listed the product details in the description box below. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.